So now it's time for Developing Story, and for that we'll bring in Alex Coffey, co-host of Next Gen Investing here on Schwab Network. Intel spiked higher this afternoon. Tell us what caused shares to rise, Alex.
Yeah, CEO of Intel, Pat Gelsinger, is speaking at a Deutsche Bank technology conference. And while speaking during that conference, he provided some insight into how the company's third quarter is going thus far, with some optimistic comments. First off, saying that they are tracking above the midpoint of their prior guide, and that they're feeling good about their third quarter progress. While speaking, he also spoke a little bit about AI and the importance of AI for not only their business, but for the world as a whole. CEO Pat Gelsinger said he believes that AI will affect everything, and that he sees AI as a positive driver for Intel. So I think this, amongst, of course, the narrowing of that guidance, kind of steering the street to the top half of their guidance range for the next quarter, I think is leading to some optimism here for Intel, which has been a pretty strong performer thus far year to date, up about 33%. Of course, Intel had struggled for many years leading into this one, and so a little bit better tone for investors thus far, but analysts are still sort of in the wait and see camp, I would say, in Intel, and waiting for Intel to sort of show the street more, because if you look at the entire ratings breakdown, about let's call it 2/3 of analysts are in the hold camp, with a modest split amongst the balance between buys and sells.
Looks like Intel is trying its best to differentiate itself from HP, and we'll be watching that. Alex Coffey, thank you so much for giving us that info.